So in this problem, we have to find out the smallest positive integer n such that the expression which is given in the left hand side is equals to 1 by sine n degrees, right? Now let me just simplify every term of the given expression in the left hand side. So first we have 1 by sine 45 degrees into sine 46 degree. See how I'm manipulating it. I'm writing this thing as sine 1 degree. So in the numerator, it will be sine 1 degree divided by sine 45 degree, sine 46 degree. Clear? Now, sine 1 degree in the numerator, I'm writing it as sine 46 minus 45 divided by sine 45 sine 46. Now, this kind of problems are frequently asked in IITJEE. They want to check whether you know this kind of manipulation or not. It's a very important point to be noted. Now, if I just expand the numerator, we are applying sine A minus B formula. So we are getting sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. And if we separate it with sine 45, sine 46 degree, we are going to get cot 45 degrees minus cot 46 degrees, right? Similarly, the second expression can be expanded in the same way, and the final product will be sine 1 degree, 1 by sine 1 degree into cot 47 degree minus cot 48 degree, right? So this thing goes on, and the last term will be 1 by sine 1 degree cot 133 degrees minus cot 134 degrees. Is it clear to all of you? Now, if I add the corresponding sides, in the left hand side, we are getting the expression which is given in the left hand side or in the problem. Okay. And in the right hand side, we are going to get 1 by sine 1 degree. If I add all the terms, we are going to get cot 45 minus cot 46 plus cot 47 minus cot 48, and this thing goes on, and the last term will be cot 133 minus cot 134 degrees. Clear? Now what I'm trying to do here is I am combining, leaving this cot 45 degree, we are combining this term with the last term. Okay, so what we are going to get? Cot 46, cot 134. Clear? Then you combine this term with this term. So what we are going to get? Cot 47 degree plus cot 133 degree. Is it clear? Now this thing will go on, right? Now how many terms will be there? That is the first question. It is 133 degree and this one will be minus. Now how many number of these brackets we will get? That is how many combinations we will get in this way. You see, from cot 46 degree to cot 134 degrees, there are how many number of terms? It is 89 number of terms are there, right? So leaving the middle term, since there are 89 terms, so there will be one middle term, right? And if there is one middle term, just leave that middle term, and then you combine the terms from the last and from the first. If you combine in that way, we are going to get the middle term as cot 90 degrees, right? We are going to get cot 90 degree as our middle term. Yes or no? Yes or no? So it will be minus cot 90 degree. This is the middle term. Just keep this thing aside. Then you combine with the first term of this expansion with the last term. And if we do that, the last bracket will give you what? Tell me fast. It will be plus cot 89 degree minus plus cot 91 degree. Yes or no? Yes or no? This is when we add all the terms with pairs with the first and the last one. Is it clear? Now you observe carefully. Cot 46 degree plus cot 134 degree. This one will give you what? Tell me fast. Cot 134 degree can be written as what? Cot 180 degree minus 46 degree. So that will give you what? Minus cot 46 degree, right? So this and this will go off. Similarly, you see this. It's cot 47 degrees. Cot 133 degree can be written as what? Cot 180 minus 47 degrees, right? Yes or no? So that one will give you what? Cot 47 minus cot 47 degrees. So again, this will go off. So every term, every bracket will vanish. So we will be left with, just one sec, let me just rub this one. We are going to get 1 by sine 1 degree, and we are left with cot 45 degree minus cot 90 degree. Yes or no? So what we are going to get? Cot 45 degree is 1. So we are left with sine 1 degree. Yes or no? Which is equals to 1 by sine n degrees. So that implies sine n degree equals to sine 1 degree, right? Therefore, the least positive value of n is nothing but 1. The least positive value of n is nothing but 1. Have you understood this problem? Okay.